How to pay traffic ticket online in New York. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in New York. The process is really simple, so all you need to do is just follow these few steps, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app and type Pay My Traffic Ticket Online New York in the search bar, and look for official NYC payment page in the search result, and the page should be titled something like NYC official payments. Now click on that link to open the page, and once you are on the page, simply select the option to pay online and choose the type of a ticket that you want to pay for. The option may include parking tickets, traffic violations, etc. So select the one that matches your route ticket, and after that you will be asked to provide details about your ticket, such as the ticket number and your vehicle's information. So just follow the instruction to enter all the required information correctly, and after your ticket details are verified, you will be directed to the payment page. So choose your payment method like credit or debit card and enter your payment details and complete the transaction. And after the payment is processed, you should see a confirmation page. You may also receive a confirmation email, so be sure to save or print the confirmation for your records. And that's it. Now you have successfully paid your ticket online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.